Within a trapezoid, there are two sets of supplementary angles. So please remember, for the vocabulary word supplementary, that lets us build a part plus part equals 180 equation. Ooh, and another part plus part equals 180 equation. It's really important when you're looking for these sets of angles that you look for the C shape of same side interior angles, and the top and the bottom of your C are the bases. So when you're drawing the C shape, please make sure that the parallel is matching the bottom and the top of your C shape. Again, the C shape, that's an older vocabulary word for parallel lines. They're called same side interior angles. It will many times help you to have your picture twisted in this direction so that you can see the parallels the way that your eye is most used to identifying them. And remember, I don't mind if you work sideways for your calculations if that helps you visualize the sets that are supplementary. This next page is the vocabulary word midsegment, and midsegment is made by two midpoints. So this purple segment in the middle is the midsegment. J is the midpoint of this leg. G is the midpoint of that leg. If you notice, there are three arrowheads because the base and the midsegment and the other base are parallel. So that's what this statement is saying down here. You have your midsegment, and it's parallel to both bases. I really should have written that in black because in the original diagram it's black. Please forgive me. This third page is a continuation for midsegments. There is a formula to calculate the length of the midsegment. It is dependent upon the length of the bases. I created an algebraic example that we're going to look at. Let me try to zoom in a little closer. I already wrote the equation. I'm just going to try to show you at least a little bit of the process in action. So as you set up your equation, MS was my shorthand for midsegment. Please remember that is the segment within your trapezoid, so 2x. Within this fraction here, we have both bases. I wrote x plus 5, which is on the right, and 4x minus 15, which is on the left. The formula always contains this 2. It is actually an averaging formula, and there are two bases that you're averaging. Algebraically, please remember, this is division, so to undo it, you use multiplication. That will create a 4x on the left. On the right, these are inverses, so they undo each other. I am going to combine like terms, though, for the numerator to try to streamline this here. So I have 5x minus 10. Continuing solving, I'm going to undo this 5x. And then I'm dividing by -1. So x is 10. Oh, I'm off camera there, sorry. This went on to a little bit of a fresh sheet of paper, so I'm going to have to pull up really high so you can see the whole thing. I will post the images so that you have them. Be well.